All right, I have a water leak somewhere in my bottom basement bathroom. And I want you to help me to detect where the water leak is, and I'll pin in the comment section who gets the answer right. I'm feeling water coming up from the seams of the laminate in the bathroom. I don't know how well you can see, but there's there's little small bits of water. Okay, now the most obvious thing is if you look at the baseboard here, there's water. If I press down real hard here, I don't know how well you can hear, it's squishing here. So there's a whole bunch of water there. To give you a little bit about the architecture of this house, on the upstairs there is a bathroom directly above, and of course there's a kitchen to the left. So the pipes come down through here. So it's not a big leak, but it's a leak that needs to be repaired or fixed. So my question is, do you believe that the leak is coming from just water splashing, using the sinks, getting out of the shower, which this is kind of like a basin shower here, and it's been used every day. See, right now as I put my foot there, I can feel water here. But that doesn't make sense because there's just too much water here. Is it coming from the plumbing of the sink? Okay, is it coming from the plumbing of the sink? Because there's that corner. It could be the toilet where that wax is worn off, the little wax ring underneath it, and maybe that's what's making the water seep down underneath the laminate. It could be a pipe behind here that's leaking and slowly going down and coming out here. But being that there's a lot of water here concentrated in this corner, where do you think that water's coming here? I mean, it is possible that I don't know, with gravity or something, it could have rolled down here to the corner. But put in the comment section what you think that water is coming from. And I'm going to find out. I want to hire a plumber to come in here, and then I'll do a follow-up on this video to where the water is coming from. All right, thanks for watching.